Hey guys, welcome back to Social Net. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Suncorp Online Banking Account. If you have already registered for Online Banking Account, then now you can log into your account using the login credentials that you have set while registering for your account. The process to log into your Online Banking Account is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. By the completion of the login process, you can have access to your financial transactions, account histories and details from anywhere and anytime online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is go to any browser on your desktop and visit suncorpcomau. Once you land onto an interface like this, go and tap onto the login option here. And from the banking section, choose internet banking. Now you'll be directed to the login page of Suncorp Online Banking Account. So before you start your login process, there are a few things that you need to keep in your mind. You can log into your internet banking account if you haven't registered for Suncorp Online Banking. So in order to do that, all you have to do is scroll down and go to register for internet banking. Once you have registered for internet banking, you will be provided with a customer ID and a set up password that you can log into your account with. So go to customer ID text field and enter your ID. Then go to the password text field and enter the password that you have set while registering for this account. Once done, you can go to the login option here and tap on it in order to log into your Suncorp Online Banking account. And if you have forgotten your customer ID, then you can go to forget your customer ID option here and tap on it in order to reset your customer ID. And similarly, if you have forgotten your password, you can go to forget your password option here and tap on it in order to reset your password. With all this information, I think you will be able to log into your account in no time. And now once you have logged into your account, you can check your account balances and transaction histories, pay bills, transfer money, and also easily open new accounts or apply for a loan or credit card. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.